Australia has a proud modern immigration history. Government discrimination has been banished, replaced by a skills-based system generating unparalleled economic gain for Australia. Creating an environment where innovation can thrive depends on immigration. With a population where 1 in 4 people are born overseas, Australia is already well positioned to kickstart a new period of growth.
A dead language may still be studied through recordings or writings, but it is still dead or extinct unless there are fluent speakers. Although languages have always become extinct throughout human history, they are currently dying at an accelerated rate because of globalization. Many projects are underway aimed at preventing or slowing language loss. This unit provides a practical and theoretical introduction to what it means to be an IT professional today. Students will encounter a range of issues relevant to professional practice in the workplace, as well as an understanding of the wider responsibilities that professionals are called upon to uphold in society. There are many benefits to bilingualism and exposure to multiple languages. Children who learn multiple languages learn to be sensitive to their conversation partners. They make word and language choices based on their knowledge of others. These are sophisticated social decisions that show advanced social skills.
Interdisciplinarity refers to a method that merges traditional educational concepts in order to arrive at new approaches. It is an increasingly important concept within both academic research and the private sector. More than just pasting together different subjects, interdisciplinary work is the process of developing an integration of methods that are traditionally thought of as separate fields.
Stars are the most widely recognized astronomical objects and represent the most fundamental building blocks of galaxies. The age and composition of the stars in a galaxy trace the dynamics and evolution of that galaxy. Consequently, the study of the birth, life, and death of stars is central to the field of astronomy.
At the Fine Arts Department, we place dual emphasis on studio art and art history, and are dedicated to the exploration of contemporary art while promoting traditional Chinese art and culture. Our department has been a strategic base for training up artists and art historians and has made significant contribution to the field of art nationally and internationally.
If you live in a city, you may take your skyline for granted, but let me remind you how cool it is. Skyscrapers are amazing feats of engineering and a testament to humankind's progress. What's more, skylines offer an array of architectural styles, as cities certainly weren't built in a day.
People might think that they're anxious about math because they're bad at it, but it's often the other way around. They're doing poorly in math because they're anxious about it. Some psychologists think that's because math anxiety decreases a cognitive resource called working memory. That's the short-term memory system that helps you organize the information you need to complete a task.
Engineering requires many building blocks and tools. To produce real-world results, one must practically apply mathematics and sciences to tangible problems and scenarios. Included in this category are the various technical topics which cut across engineering disciplines, encompassing many branches of mathematics and scientific disciplines. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.